Hello people, hope you guys doing well. I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. And in this video, we are going to take a look at some of the best apps for the month of October. And by the way, don't forget to drop a like to this video and also subscribe and tap on the bell icon to extend your support to help me make better content for you guys. So let's dive in. So the first app's name is called as Nichi, which is developed by a Japanese developer. This app is for all Instagram story lovers, and this has a collection of cool Instagram story templates which you can use in your Instagram story. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is to just open the app and choose your favorite template and then change the text and pictures, and boom, there you go. There are some paid templates as well, but the free templates are also cool. You guys should definitely check this out. Its name is called as Nichi. The next app's name is called as Radium, which is a great abstract wallpaper app. The designs in it are really cool and is available in high quality. These are wallpapers made by different talented artists around the world. There are a lot of categories to choose from, and it's a really great application for those of you who are obsessed with changing wallpapers on a regular basis. So try this app out. Its name is called as Radium. Before talking about the next app, have you seen a video of MKBHD where he talks about an AI called as DALL-E, where it automatically generates an artwork based on the keywords that we give? Well, what if I say the next app that I'm going to suggest is just like DALL-E, which automatically generates an artwork based on your keyword? The app's name is called as Starry AI. So the app is very simple to use. You have to open the app and choose a theme for the artwork that you want to get generated. And then there will be a box where you have to mention the keyword. For example, I'm using a keyword called as Dogman and choosing this particular theme. So after doing that, if I tap on the generate button, it will automatically start generating an artwork based on the theme which I've given and also the keyword which I've given. And boom, there you go. It generates 2 to 3 examples of that particular keyword which is based on the theme which I've chosen. And you can also download the artwork generator, but in a medium quality. But if you want to download the high quality version of that particular artwork, then you have to pay a separate fee for it, which is not necessary. But if you need that, you can do. But the free version of which the image that you can download is pretty usable. So it's a really great application. You guys should definitely check out this application because it really blows your mind with the AI capabilities which is in the app. So the app's name is called as Starry AI. So the link is there in the description below. Check it out. The next app can turn a picture like this to this. The app's name is called as New Profile Pic. What a generic name though. The app is an AI-based app where you can beautify, polish or cartoonify your picture to make it look more appealing and attractive for your social media profile picture. The only one problem with this app is if you use the free version of it, it will have watermark in each and every picture that you have edited. So if you don't mind watermark being in your picture, then it's not a problem. There are also some shady ways to remove the watermark, which I'm not going to say, but hey, this is the thing. But if you buy the pro version of it, then you can get rid of that watermark, which makes the image look more clean. This is a really great application for those of you who really want to have a creative profile picture for your social media profiles. The last and final app is called as Screeny, which is basically a smart gallery for all your screenshots. So let's suppose you want to copy a text from a screenshot. It does it perfectly. Or let's say there are a lot of screenshots in your phone where you want to look at a particular screenshot with a particular word in it. It can search that for you. Or let's say you want to sort your screenshots with different tags. Well, it can also do that. So it's a multi-utility application for all the screenshot in your smartphone. So you guys should definitely check it out. The app's name is called as Screeny. So there you have it. These are some of the top apps for the month of October, and let me know your favorite app in the comment section below. Share this video with all of your friends. Don't forget to drop a like to this video and also subscribe and tap on the bell icon to get constant notifications whenever I upload any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one.